Dear judges and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuhu. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Today, I stand before you to talk about one of the greatest threats facing our humanity and planet, that is climate change. Climate change refers to long-term alteration in Earth's weather pattern, primarily caused by human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and pollution. The activities releases greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane into atmosphere, trapping heat and causing earth temperature to rise at an alarming rate. According to World Health Organization, 3.6 billion people have already lived in areas highly susceptible to climate change. Between 2030 and 2050, climate change caused to approximately 250,000 additional deaths per year from undernutrition, malaria, diarrhea, and heat stress alone. World Health Organization data indicates 2 billion people lack safe drinking water and 6 billion people suffer from foodborne illness annually, with the children under 5 bearing 30% of foodborne fatalities. The stresses hidden foodborne and waterborne risk disease. In 2020, 770 million faced hunger, predominantly Africa and Asia. The impact of climate changes are already visible and devastating. We are witnessed more frequent and intensive heat waves, extreme rainfall leading to floods, prolonged droughts, and the rapid melting of polar ice caps. These changes threatens our water resources, food security, and health. Rising sea level caused by melting glaciers can displace millions of people, those who living in coastal areas. Moreover, many animals and plant species facing extinction, establishing ecosystem that support life on earth. Looking ahead, the future threats of climate changes are even more alarming. If the global temperature continue to rise beyond 1 degree Celsius above pre-industrial level, we can risk triggering irreversible environmental damage like widespread loss of biodiversity, destruction of groundwater, destruction of saltwater nutrition, the destruction of global weather pattern vital to agriculture and global and water supply. Ice sheet melting and thawing permafrost can release greenhouse gases. However, despite these daunting challenges, there is hope. Tackling climate change requires collective and immediate action. In conclusion, climate change threatens our planet's future, but together, with awareness and dedicated effort, we can mitigate its effect and protect our planet for future generation. Let us all take responsibility to protect our future. Thank you for your attention. Akhir dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuhu.